Guess what, guys? This is me. I am right here.
We have a possible rain shower.
We have a tornado warning out of nowhere. Like, there's no storms anywhere else. There's nothing. It's just little bitty storms that popped up out of nowhere. This is in Kentucky, Louisville right there, and I'm approximately right in here. And
the key word here is
yeah, that's awfully strange. But apparently there's a tornado warning. My mom actually lives in the Shively area, what they're showing right here. That's where she's in here somewhere, and that's bad. I just talked to her though, but I just want to give you a heads up on some weather that just came out of nowhere. I mean, I want to take you outside real quick and show you that the sky is blue. I mean, you can see that the sky is blue as can be. Blue skies, clear. No wind, no rain, nothing. Just nice, friendly blue skies. Anyways, just keep an eye out.
In fact, I think those threats are going to be minimal. What I think here is we're looking at a freak spin-up. Now, it's not out of the question that you couldn't get another.
Did you guys hear that? A freak spin-up.
This tornado warning in effect, and we'll obviously stay with it. Even after the tornado warning does expire, we're going nowhere. It's 7:45 right now, and we're going to wait to hear the latest from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service, as of 7:45, their latest statement is that they're going to cancel the tornado warning for our area. So basically, let's give you just a quick perspective on the storm before we send you back over your programming. And again, like I said, don't worry, we're not going anywhere. If another tornado warning pops into position, we'll be all over it. Possible storm right now moving through the Georgetown area. Downtown, we've got basically,
like you said,
some rain.
I'm actually right here.
A tornado touchdown on this. Again,
right there.
More as the evening progresses, but we did at about 7:30 get a report of a tornado touchdown near Elizabeth, Indiana. In Harrison County, a quick tornado warning was issued. Storm moved into Jefferson County, and as of 7:45, that tornado warning has expired. We'll have more information on Fox News, WDRB News at 10, on WDRB.com. And also, if you want, just find me on Facebook, Mark Weinberg.
Find them on Facebook, because that's all they want us to do.
Continue updates throughout the
Facebook.
evening. If anything goes severe, or if there's any more reports on this storm. Hopefully I don't see you again until the 10 o'clock news.
Make sure it's not funny.
Y'all done?
No. Money said, tell them need to bring her fucking black ass back in here.
pretty rough over there. It's not gonna get it very good in the dark. It's orange.
The animals ain't acting funny.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but this has got to be the weirdest sky I've ever seen in a long, long time. It's orange. I mean, you can't tell, like, that's what the sky should look like. And then it's orange over here. Orange. And there's something behind that tree there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'd say there's something there. Oh yeah. Alright guys, end of the video. I am going to head inside right about now. Oh my god. I got this on film, mother. It is the weirdest sky I've ever seen in my entire life. Alright, I'm gonna let you go. Okay, Mom? Bye. That is the creepiest shit I've ever seen. Alright, there we go. Now we got a little bit of a dip there. Yes, I know I should be inside and blah 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 in the bathroom and shit, but that right there is what's bothering me, and that's moving really fast now. Here comes some wind. Go back here by the door just in case I need to go inside. Here comes some rain.